Serious tension looms in Igbo land as the court issues tough directives before Nnamdi Kanu can be released. Okay, my people, I greet all of you who are listening to this very broadcast. This is today's news. The court. Hey. First of all, I want to appreciate the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Nyako, who has declined Justice Nyako's recusal and withdrawal from the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That one alone is a testimony. Yes, so a big testimony because Justice Bintan Nyako actually wanted to use that to delay Nnamdi Kanu in prison and make him remain in detention for long, but God no allow to happen. Thank God for that anyway. We could not shout long. Let's quickly just go straight to the content and then let's see what the truth actually holds. This is today's news. Justice John Tøùgh, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, has instructed that the case file for Nnamdi Kanu's prisoner trial be returned to Justice Binta Nyako for her to resume hearing the case. The directive comes after Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, and previously requested Justice Nyako to recuse herself, expressing a lack of confidence on her ability to provide a fair trial. In his directives, Justice Tøùgh stipulated that Kanu must submit a formal application supported by affidavit, outlining the reasons for his request to have the trial conducted by a different judge. Additionally, the prosecution is requested to respond to Kanu's application, after which Justice Nyako's will considers the submission and make a ruling on whether to withdraw from the case. These conditions set by Justice Tøùgh aims to avoid a situation similar to that of former Governor Gabriel Suswan. It was also noted that Justice Nyako will be the one to conclude the trial, as the IPOB leader will be granted his freedom as one stands. Kanu's request for Justice Nyako to step back from the case marks the third time a judge has relinquished their role at Kanu's instance. His initial appearance before the Federal High Court occurred on December 23, 2015, when he was presented alongside co-defendants before Justice Mohammed, who later withdrew after Kanu raised concern about the possibility of receiving a fair trial. The case was subsequently assigned to Justice Tøùgh, who also withdrew following complaints from Kanu's legal team regarding alleged conflicting decisions made by the judge concerning witness protection. Thank you for listening to today's news. Let me tell you why these people are withdrawing, my dear listeners. It's politics. It's politics. No judge want to be the one to declare Nnamdi Kanu free. Yes. Yeah. Because why? If he dares declare Nnamdi Kanu free, it means that he lost the case. He lost the case. So they don't want to lose that very case. You know, Nnamdi Kanu's trial, as it is, let me just tell you, in the world, should be one of the strongest cases in the whole world right now as we speak. So any judge or lawyer that is able to win this very case is completely a victor. You understand? It's completely a victor. You get it? These people, they know what they are doing. So let us not Let us not give them that very room. So Justice Nyako want to do the same. That's why she was waiting, and the moment she got the opportunity, so the more, as they withdraw, the longer Nnamdi Kanu stays in prison. That is the style. That is the style. That is what they are trying to do. And Justice Binta Nyako have seen it, that Nnamdi Kanu have already succeeded in his own case. Yeah. So when the opportunity came, she have to quickly utilize it and and take a leave. That is what she is trying to do. But to God be the glory, she was denied. She was denied. So I want to plead to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to hold his peace, hold his cool, and allow what to happen so that he can quickly regain his freedom, because these people, they are not willing, neither are they ready to set him free. They are politicians. They are politicians on regalia. You get it? And that is what they are doing. They're not going to succeed. They're not going to succeed. All right. So, my dear people out there listening to this broadcast, I thank you all for giving me this ample opportunity to reach out to you all once again. Thank you so much. No be small matter. Let's quickly hear from you, and then let us know what your take and what your advice actually is. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.